got to steal the pipes and flanges off this
I
pipe.
thought that's what you were going to do.
Look how nice and straight this ring is. Kind of like that one on your clutch lever.
That makes it stay in there better.
Don't talk about that.
We didn't show the clutch adjustments.
No, thank God we didn't.
How many days have you worked on that thing to do that?
I'm not going to tell you.
Joe, what's wrong with that?
Control. Sprung steel.
It's sprung all right.
Those pliers look like brand new. Oh,
Not that way.
you almost
Oh,
took out
really?
my
I did too.
eyeball.
Right over there.
I heard it hit the tarp.
It's over there.
You should have left that on. It would make you go faster.
You dropped right by the that pile of dirt right by the door window.
Right by what?
Right there by your left foot. In that pile of dirt.
Here. On this side of the beam?
I think one on the other side of the hole. You hit that dirt plot, I think.
I heard it hit the tarp.
It did,
Yeah.
and it bounced around. No, it bounced down there by your foot.
You don't see it, Ken.
Look behind the wall. Put your hand down there where the skunk is.
You got skunks here?
He likes going down that wall.
I don't see it.
I'm going to get out of the way of this thing.
Dangerous. This bracket's warped and we'll go in here now. How many clips got one for the bad one?
I got both of them.
You found the other one?
Yep.
Part of I said, right?
Yep.
Joe, how come this won't come up?
I'm not sure about that. It will come on. You want a bigger hammer?
No. It's an Indian, I can't get that hard.
Should just fall off.
It should, but no. Fell off. Okay, don't scratch the chrome. That's the Indian junk pile over there.
How much are those cables, King? I gotta go get some cash.
Cables, what cables?
There's two I returned to you, the two I kept. Motion Pro.
Motion, yeah, probably. Probably 30, 35 apiece.
Okay, I'm gonna go to the ATM real quick.
You got an ATM around here?
So I'm having no charge.
Oh, that's up the street then. Let me get straighten this clamp.
Sit on it. Or do that.
Appears to be bent right here. If only I had a hammer.
I think you can find one. Everything is a hammer there. There you go.
The hammer works better.
Nonsense.
That precision adjustment.
Now all you gotta do is sandblast it.
No! Too much work. Okay, it's getting better. Ooh, pretty close.
Let's get close.
I could just go up there and get a new one. That'd be too much work. Haven't broke it yet.
Is this for your custom hammer project?
That is for beating on stuff and protecting it. Okay, I think that's enough for adjustment for now.
Okay.
It might work, it might not. I'll do a little tweaking right here to make sure. So we didn't bring our safety sample in there with it to make sure it's the same size. See? Close. Okay, we gotta put the good one in the front or the back.
I don't know.
It's supposed to leak in the back, so we I wonder how bent these are.
Why don't you test it out on your really straight truck tailgate?
Should be this straight.
Not terrible.
Well, that's too bad. Vice is your friend.
One of them is.
One's good, one's bad. Which one's good? Just eyeball it. First you get the bolt flaring straight. Then you get the whole tank straight. Go right in the middle and I overdid that one.
Good as new.
I think they are new. Gotta have one of these tools. Looks good. The vise helps too. Okay, I think this one goes in the back. What happened? I didn't have to beat it on. What's wrong with that thing?
That takes all the fun out of it. Oh, there we go. You can have some fun now.
Need to be bent in further. Yeah, tips too out too far. See, I'll cut the clamp. Damn it! Didn't do that correctly. Didn't bend it enough. You have to bend it enough to go for the fit inside the clamp.
I think that next time you should use this little guy as your hammer.
What little guy? Oh, the keychain. Okay, see how far off it is?
Yeah, about 1/16 of an inch.
Yeah, at least. And it starts bending about right here. It was bending back in here, so it was bending in the wrong spot. So you clamp it where you want to bend.
That might have been too much.
No, never. No way. It's in here now someplace.
You're gonna chase it all the way around, huh?
Yep. If it doesn't fit in the clamp, it doesn't work. It has to
No.
fit in the clamp. Otherwise, when you clamp on it, it won't pull evenly and it'll pop off. If it's like out here, then the whole thing bends, the flange tries to come out, doesn't hold the pipe correctly. It has to fit inside the clamp. So whatever it takes to make it fit in the clamp is what you gotta do.
What you gotta do.
There we go. That's pretty close. This one's a good one. See, the good one fits in there, see?
Mm-hmm.
So this one's all twisted up because it was half in, half out. So when they tighten it, it bent all the way over. Alright, we're good to go. No special tools required, except for this one. Pushing it in like it's supposed to. Boom. See?
Boom.
Pulls evenly.
Ooh.
So this one's cup shape. So we're reversing it.
Yes.
It was on like that, and I'm going to flip it around. Someone over torqued it.
You would never do that.
No, not me. Would I would never do that.
We go by the torque spec here.
There, see, no tools required. That one, just fingers and thumbs. There, see, now it fits in nice and clean.
Wait, so you're saying that I don't need any tools? I can just do fingers and thumbs on my stuff too?
I just did. Well, you have to use this first to make them fit.
Oh. So nothing will fall off, right? If you just use
See this
fingers.
clamp right here?
Yeah.
So something on the bottom. Something on the bike is right there. Gonna make it straight. Take it a little bit further. Close to that. So let's go see if there's something on the bike that matches that.